Hello, programmers.
Today, we are going to demystify the concept of Python variables and uncover the incredible power of variables. Variable is a name that is used to refer to the memory location. Python variables are also called as identifiers and used to hold value. Let us declare a variable. To declare a variable, we have to create a file now. So let us create a file. As we know, every Python file ends with the extension .py. So let's declare a variable now. And the variable name is total students and the value is 100. Here the syntax of declaring variable is starts with the variable name and then equals to sign followed by the value. When we execute this code, the value 100 is stored in the memory location and that variable name total students refers to the particular memory location. Now let's print it using the print statement. Print total students. And save this file and click on run. Now we can see 100 is printed in the console. In Python, we don't need to specify the type of the variable because Python is an infer language and smart enough to get variable type. Here, 100 is an integer value. Not only integer value, we can store any type of data using variables. Now let us declare a floating point value like let the variable name is rating and the value is 4.5. This is the syntax for declaring the floating point variables. And same for the boolean values. When the variable name is completed. And the value is true. As we know, Python is a case sensitive language. We must have to write the true in this only. If we write like this or like this, it doesn't valid. We have to write in this manner only. And same for the false. And also we can declare strings. We know strings are enclosed in double quotes. In Python, we can declare strings using double quotes or single quotes also. Let us declare a variable subject and the value is Python. In this way, we can declare with different types of variables. No, as I already said, Python is an infer language. It can identify the type of the variable by itself. So, let us try to find each and every type of the variable here by using the type function. Let us check for total students. It's print it. And the same goes for every variable here. Rename this is to rating and is completed. Lastly, subject. Save this and run. Here you can see total students is an integer and rating is a float, is completed is a boolean and subject is string. In this way we can check the type of the variable. As I already said, variables are known as identifiers. To declare these identifiers, there are some set of rules to follow. And the first rule is the first character of the variable must be an alphabet or underscore. All the characters except the first character may be an alphabet of lowercase, uppercase, underscore, or the digit. And the third one is identifier name must not contain any white spaces or special characters. Identifier names are case sensitive. For example, these both variable names are different. Identifier name must not be similar to any keyword defined in the language. We will study keywords in the next lectures, and some of the valid identifiers are, and now you can see some of the invalid identifiers. These are the rules that must be followed while declaring a variable. And here are some variable names that you have to identify that they are valid identifiers or not. Comment below your answers. And that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you do, please hit the like button. Feel free to use comment section to give suggestions for us. And also share it with your friends. For more videos, do subscribe to our channel. And I will see you the next time.